Hi and welcome to the channel. This video, as promised, is about the booknook set I built. This little Japanese style booknook and the modifications I made to it. So I don't want to show you the full building process of the set because I think I would take parts out of the fun for you to build it yourself. But I want to give you an impression about the set, the quality of the set itself. And I want to show you the little modifications, the easy modifications that I made to it to make it look more individual and a little bit nicer. So without further ado, let's go.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So alright, the handbook is very detailed, very good. Everything is clearly depicted. So even if you do not have any previous experience in building things like this, you will understand, and it is just pretty good. Here now some impressions of the build. As you can see, the quality of the laser cut is pretty nice. In the pack included is everything you need. There is sandpaper, a screwdriver, some glue. For my taste, I personally like the X-Acto knife, so I recommend having an X-Acto knife or wire cutter at hand. That makes the job easier. But other than that, pretty nice. Quality of wood is fine. Yeah, it's a good set right out of the box. Here you can see that even the prints are really well covered, so bright colors, nothing shines through from the material. It's the perfect kind of thickness of the paper. Yeah, it's just a very, very well balanced, good to build set. Okay, now here is one of the pieces I already built, so you more or less build modules that at the end will fit together, but pretty nice details, very good. And here we go with the water kind, and here we have the battery holder on the back. Alright, now this is a piece of wall I want to show you on the left side of that whole booknook, and usually this is the thing you will see, and then there are some paper pieces you can just add to the surface like this. But as most of the structures are with corners, because it is from sheet material, I want to have a little different kind of structure or kind of texture here. So what I want to do is I want to take little bamboo sticks and glue them next to each other. So cut them and glue them next to each other so that you have a kind of bamboo wall here. To give the bamboo a little bit more, make them a little bit more interesting, you can paint them. Or as I do, I just simply light a fire and turn the bamboo stick above the flame so that you can, or that you have little darker areas here and there, just to make it a little bit nicer.
Down.
The material list for the second mod is rather short. It's some stones from the outside and some old pine needles. I colorized to give him a kind of plant look. I took 2 different colors. My aim was to achieve this kind of reed plant or water grass plant look-alike. And yeah, very easy. You can take any color you like. Green, and I added a little dot of yellow at the tips. During that process I found that a kind of repetition of the same kind of theme and structure throughout the book nook would be nice. So I do not want to have the grass only in the stream, but also on a balcony or on one of the streets. So I took some of these party toothpicks with the beads at the end. They looking like a vase or like a flower pot. And I added to this, I added my pine needles as well. So yeah, it's a kind of nice effect if you have the same kind of structure through the whole book nook. Here now we have the book nook at first without any grass and stone mod, and afterwards I show you as a comparison how it looks like with it. So you just glue it in, very easy. And I think it really brings the stream, the water part, to life. Okay, now we come to the end of the video. Here's some shots of the wall I made and the grass and stone mod and the whole book nook in place. So I hope you liked the video. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. If you have questions or suggestions, let me know. And I hope I see you next time around here. Happy crafting!